Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Welcome to today's tutorial on setting up your M Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender using the quick and straightforward WPS method. With just a few simple steps, you'll effortlessly expand your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones in your home or office. Let's dive in and enhance your connectivity experience. First, let's unbox the M Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender, a power adapter, and the user manual. Before we begin, make sure you have your main router's login details handy, as we'll need them during setup. Begin by plugging your M Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet. Choose a spot where the Wi-Fi signal is weak, but still within your router's range for optimal performance. Once connected, allow the extender to power up, and wait for the power light to illuminate, indicating it's ready for setup. Now, find the WPS button on your router. WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a convenient feature designed to simplify the process of connecting devices like extenders. Using this method ensures a quick and secure pairing between your router and the M Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender without needing manual configurations. Next, take your M Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender and press the WPS button on the device. Once pressed, the WPS LED on the extender will begin blinking. This flashing light indicates that the extender is now in pairing mode and ready to connect to your router. Within 2 minutes, head to your router and press its WPS button. You should see the WPS light on the router begin blinking, signaling that it is actively searching for devices to pair with. This initiates the connection process between your router and extender. For optimal performance, position your M Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender in a central spot, roughly halfway between your router and the area with a weak Wi-Fi signal. This strategic placement helps maximize coverage, improving signal strength and ensuring a seamless connection throughout your home or office. Now, check the Wi-Fi signal on your devices. You should see a noticeable improvement in coverage, with stronger signals and faster speeds in areas that previously had weak connectivity. Enjoy enhanced performance as your extender strengthens the network in those hard-to-reach spots. If you run into any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experts is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for personalized support and troubleshooting. We're ready to guide you through any challenges you may face. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for assistance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your M Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. With your Wi-Fi coverage now extended, you'll experience faster speeds and more reliable connections in previously weak areas. Enjoy a stronger, seamless internet experience throughout your home or office.